In this tutorial, we're going to be editing and customizing the default WooCommerce emails that have been sent from your online store. I'm going to be making them look a lot more better. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So we're going to be doing this with the help of a plugin called Email, and it is important for you to have WooCommerce plugin installed on your website. So we're going to come here to plugins and we're going to select add new. So here we're going to search for Email and we're going to install and activate the plugin. So the plugin has been installed and activated successfully, and if we look at our left hand side here, we're going to see a new menu called WooCommerce. So you're going to click on it. Here is the email builder. Here is where we can design and customize our WooCommerce emails. And if you are familiar with Elementor, you're going to see that it looks a lot similar to each other. On the left hand side here, we have the elements and the settings, and on the right hand side we have where we can see what we're designing. So let me just quickly run through some of the options here, and it's better for you to learn while you are designing, but let me just run through some of the elements. We have the logo, which is this one that we have here. We have the email heading, we have the image if you want to add an image to your email. We have a button if you're interested in adding a button to your email. We have the text, which is just the normal text we have here. And actually all these things are self-explanatory. If you come to general also, you're going to see some other elements here, for example, like the columns and dividers and spaces. And this last one here contains WooCommerce related elements like the shipping address, billing address, and all those stuff like that. And also under the settings, you can edit the general settings, for example, the container width and several stuffs that are available. Some of them are available in the free version, some of them are available in the pro version. And here you can even edit, okay, this one is in the WooCommerce settings where you can edit the subject and the form name. And we have the email settings also where you can edit the color for your emails. And then you can also enable and disable templates, reset templates, and so many more like that. And at the top here, we can choose the email we want to edit. So we can edit several emails with this plugin for free. You can also choose a sample order. Let's say you have orders on your website. For example, I don't have any order here. You can choose another to show, so you can edit accordingly. And for this one, you can select, you can see so many shortcodes that you can use. There are a lot of shortcodes that you can use when designing with this plugin. So moving on, you can also send test email. You can start from a blank template. You can import templates. You can reset templates, but you can't undo and redo with the free version. And this button is what is going to enable these templates. You can preview these templates on your web browser, and then you can finally save these templates. Now, without wasting much time, let's edit one template. I will have loved to start from a blank page, but actually let's try to edit a template right here. So we're going to be editing completed order. So we're going to be editing completed order, and now let's start. We're going to start from the logo. So I'm going to select this logo, and then I'm going to change image. I should have a logo for my online store, templates.THEWPBRO.com. I should have it here on this website. So let's scroll down to check. All right, so we have it here. So I'm going to select this logo and I'm going to use this image. So right here, we can change the width also. You can make it bigger. You can also make it smaller. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let's just leave it at 176. And I'm going to change the background color to plain white. So we're going to be using white. And left to me, I don't think this thanks for shopping with us is needed. So I'm going to remove these elements. All right, so we're just going to start from this text. And actually, I've asked Bard to generate one for me. We're just going to copy this and let's edit this email. So we're going to paste what we copied from Bard right here. And we're going to start from this customer name. We're going to replace it with the short code for the customer's name. And let's copy this. And let's select short code, billing, and let's use billing first name. All right, so we have it here, billing first name. And actually, I think there should be a way to make this thing okay, to make this a lot better to edit. Let me expand this editor. It says we are excited to let you know that your order from store name. So this one also, it's going to be a short code. And this short code is going to be under the generals, and we're going to use site name. All right, and also you can decide to make it bold. Let's highlight this and Control B. And you can also decide to change the color too. There are many things you can do. You can add a link to it. You can change the color, but let's just keep it minimal in this tutorial right there. So we are excited to let you know that your order from the site name has been delivered. Here is the summary of your order. Now we're just going to, you can also, add all these things manually, but we're not going to be using this. We're going to be using the tables that was created by WooCommerce itself. So what we're just going to do now is to highlight all these ones and we're going to delete them. Okay, so here is the summary of your order, and now we're going to copy all these ones. We're going to copy all these ones. We're going to remove it from there. So it says here is the summary of the order. Now you can just have the order here. So if you're using a digital product, if you're selling a digital product with your website, you can leave this one, but let's focus on selling a physical product on this tutorial. So we're going to remove this option also. So we're going to remove this option. Okay, now here is our order details. So you can also edit this order item title. So, or you can just say order details or order one. So you can just remove the dates. You can remove the date because I don't think the date is needed for this tutorial. Now we're going to just check whether everything is okay as it is. Yeah, everything is okay. I don't think there's any other thing we need to edit here. And then we have the billing and shipping address. If you're interested, you can remove this, and if you feel it is needed, you can leave it there. So one thing I'm just going to do now is to, okay, we can just edit this one instead. We can edit this one instead. So remember the text that we copied earlier. Here is where we're going to paste it. So we're just going to paste it here. So we hope you enjoy your purchase. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can also highlight this contact us and replace it with a link, or let's say mail to your support email. Let's just say support@THEWPBRO.com. So they'll be able to send an email directly when they click on that link. And you can also change the color, like I said earlier. Let's say you want to use blue. Let's use this blue, and then you want to make it bold. All right, so that's how you can do that. And the next step says, thanks again for your order, sincerely, your store name. You might actually not need this. You can just, okay, let me just edit it and make it better. But first of all, let's delete this one. So you can say sincerely your store name instead of your name, because you just have to represent the whole brand with this email. So we're just going to select short code, general, and site name. All right, and let's give it a space. Let's give it a space, and let's put this one on the same line with this. This is just a quick customization that I'm making to this template. If you want to really customize your own WooCommerce emails, you can check the emails of big brands that you like, and then you love their email template, and then you can try to copy or try to refine their own design and bring out your own style from it. Actually, we're not going to be doing much again. Now what I'm just going to do is to click on this button to enable these templates, and we're going to save it. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do now is to send a test email. I'm going to be sending a test email to this email address, and we're going to click on send email. All right, we can see it here. It says we have the logo, we have the text we added, we have the order details, and then we have other things right here. Okay, this last one that says built with WooCommerce, you can just come here to remove that because you want it to be white labeled. You don't want them to know, okay, the website is built, the website is being run by WooCommerce. So you can just come here to just leave it as your site name, and you can just save this. So there are several things you can do. You can add a button. Let's say you need to add a button for maybe you want them to buy more or anything. You can just put a button here. Another place you're going to edit the link, and when they click this button in their email, they're going to be redirected to your online store where they can buy more products. And also there are several things you can do. Also, maybe you need to add a video. Maybe there's a video on how to use that. Let's say you are selling a digital product now, and then there's a video on how to use that product that they just bought. You can use this option to add a video to it. So you can just put it right here. Let's say here is a video on how it works. You can edit the image overlay, you can edit the URL. You can just put in the video URL from maybe YouTube, and I don't want to go through all those steps right now, but this is how you can do that. And then when you come back again, you can check for other things you need to add. Let's say you need to add colons, you can add colons. Let's say you need to add spacers, you can add spacers. And for this one right there, we can just even put in a title here. You can put in a title here and say how it works. And we're going to save this template again. And now let's try to just send this template one more time. Let's send test email. we're going to click on send test email, and let's come back to our email inbox. All right, so we have another email here, and this one has other elements that we just added. We can't play the video right now because we didn't add any video to it, but let's say you added a video, you can be able to click the video option, and then there's no link in this browse more products too. So yeah, here's how you can just edit your WooCommerce emails templates using this plugin. And also you can see it says to send emails to inbox, we recommend this plugin, but actually I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel where I taught you guys how you can use an SMTP plugin to make sure that your emails get delivered to your users. So you can watch that tutorial and then make sure that your emails are going to be sent, and also most importantly it's going to be sent into the inbox of your users. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and also subscribe for more future content, and I will see you guys in the next one.